Why Elon Musk is wrong about AGI, a reality check. The hook, the 2026 delusion. Elon Musk is the master of the impossible timeline. We've seen it with Mars. We've seen it with level 5 autonomy. And now, he's making his boldest claim yet. Artificial general intelligence, AI smarter than any human, will be here by 2026. It's a headline-grabbing, stock-pumping, world-altering prediction. But if you look past the X posts and the million GPU superclusters, the math doesn't add up. Most of the world's leading AI researchers, the ones actually writing the code, not just buying the chips, say Elon is fundamentally wrong. Today, we are doing a reality check. We're looking at the wall that large language models are about to hit, the energy crisis Elon isn't talking about, and why smart does not mean intelligent. This is why the AGI revolution is going to take a lot longer than Elon's next product launch. The definition, the smarter than you trap. Elon's favorite metric for AGI is smarter than the smartest human. But here's the problem. What does smart actually mean? If smart means memorizing the entire internet and passing a bar exam, AI did that yesterday. But if smart means reasoning, common sense, and causality, current AI is still in preschool. Experts like Yann LeCun, the chief AI scientist at Meta, argue that Musk is overhyping large language models, LLMs. These systems are essentially super autocomplete. They don't understand that if you drop a glass, it breaks. They just know that the word glass is statistically likely to be followed by the word shattered. Elon thinks adding more GPUs will magically create consciousness or reasoning. But as any engineer will tell you, you can't build a ladder to the moon. At some point, you need a rocket, a completely different technology. We haven't found a rocket yet. 3. The infrastructure, the Memphis power struggle. Elon is currently building the world's largest supercomputer in Memphis to train Grok. He claims sheer brute force, more chips, more electricity will unlock AGI. But there is a physical reality Elon is ignoring. The energy wall. Your brain runs on the power of a dim light bulb, about 20 watts, and can learn to drive a car with 20 hours of practice. To get an AI to do the same, Elon needs 100,000 NVIDIA H100s and enough electricity to power 80,000 homes. The scaling laws are starting to see diminishing returns. We are reaching a point where doubling the compute power only gives us a 2% increase in accuracy. Elon is betting that AGI is a software problem we can solve with hardware. But the history of technology shows that efficiency, not just raw power, is what wins. The track record, the Elon Time variable. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, Elon Time. Elon uses aggressive timelines as a psychological tool to motivate his teams and attract investors. It worked for SpaceX, and it's working for Tesla's valuation. But when it comes to AGI, he isn't just predicting a product. He's predicting a scientific breakthrough that he doesn't fully control. While Waymo is out there actually running a robotaxi service, Tesla is still struggling with edge cases. Those rare, weird moments on the road that AI can't predict because it hasn't seen them in the training data. If AI can't even handle a stop sign being held by a construction worker after 10 years of training, how is it going to solve the general in artificial general intelligence by next year? It's not. The missing piece, world models versus text models. The final reason Elon is wrong, the world model problem. Current AI lives in a world of digital tokens. It doesn't have a body. It doesn't feel gravity. It doesn't understand the physical world. To achieve true AGI, a machine needs to interact with reality. Elon's Optimus robot is a step in that direction, but the brain inside that robot is still a derivative of the same LLMs that hallucinate facts about the 14th century. Until we move away from generative AI and toward objective-driven AI that can plan and reason in the physical world, AGI remains a sci-fi dream. The conclusion, hype versus reality. Look, Elon Musk has changed the world more than almost anyone alive. But being a visionary doesn't make you a prophet. By claiming AGI is right around the corner, he's creating a Sputnik moment to drive investment into his own AI company, XAI. It's a brilliant business move, but it's a questionable scientific one. The real story of AGI isn't going to be a sudden awakening in 2026. It's going to be a long, gritty, decades-long climb through engineering hurdles and energy constraints. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you an Elon optimist or an AI realist? Do you think he'll pull it off by 2026? What's the one task an AI would have to do to prove to you that it's actually general intelligence? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're tired of the hype and want more deep dives into the real science of the future, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay skeptical, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.